Welcome to part 2 of my top 10 tips using DrawPlus. In this final video, I'm going to show you tips 6 to 10. If you're struggling to align objects on a page, this next tip is going to be a real help. I want to align these 3 bubbles. To do this, I'm going to drag out a guide from the vertical ruler on the left-hand side of the screen and use this to visually align each object. Aligning objects manually can be quite tricky. See how the circle doesn't quite meet the guide? To get around this, make sure you have snapping turned on. Snap to guides is the option we want. Now when I move the circle, the object automatically snaps to the guide, a bit like a piece of metal to a magnet. Dynamic guides are a great way of accurately aligning objects together. Make sure you have Use Dynamic Guides turned on from the snapping options. These guides automatically display between the object being moved and the object being aligned to, visually suggesting possible snapping options. Next up is a tool you can use to quickly align multiple objects. I want to align these 4 circles so they are level with the purple circle in the middle. To do this, I need to hold Shift and select each circle. I need to make sure that I select the purple circle last, as this is the circle I'd like to align the others to. To align the circles, choose the Align tab. Here we have a variety of alignment options. I'm going to select the first option, Align to Top. You can see that all the circles have been aligned to the top of the purple circle. If I select Align Bottom, the circles are now aligned to the bottom of the purple circle. On the Align tab, there's also options to evenly space objects horizontally or vertically. By selecting the horizontal option, the circles are now spaced evenly apart. If you want to increase or decrease the level of spacing between objects, check the Spaced option and use the counter to select the level of spacing required. Selecting a group of objects can be problematic if the objects you want to select are positioned randomly. I want to select these red circles. The easiest way to select a group of objects is to click and hold the left mouse button whilst dragging out a rectangle. But as you can see in this example, this doesn't always work well when the objects are laid out awkwardly. I'm going to solve this problem with this next tip. Use the Lasso tool by holding Alt and the left mouse button together whilst drawing around the objects you want to select. The lasso can be as rough as you like, but as long as it fully encompasses the objects you want to select, once you release both buttons, the desired objects will be selected. As you have observed so far, keyboard shortcuts can save you bags of time, so why not customize your own? To do this, go to DrawPlus's toolbar and select Options. Select User Interface followed by Keyboard. It's from here that you can create a custom keyboard profile and assign keys to your favorite tools. Do this by creating and naming a new profile. I want to create a shortcut for the pencil tool, so I'm going to choose Tool Select and Pencil Tool. To create a shortcut, I simply need to click into the New Shortcut key box and hit my desired shortcut key, in this case P. Now, when I press the P button whilst I'm drawing, the pencil tool is automatically selected. A quick and easy tip to select your favourite tools fast. So that brings my top 10 tool tips about improving your productivity to a conclusion. I hope you've enjoyed finding out about how DrawPlus can save you time when drawing. If there's a top tip you think I've missed, one that saves you time and effort, then please get in touch and let us know. Thanks for watching.